And they won the game in the third quarter when they outscored them 38-19, double them up. Spurs turn it over here. Mitchell bringing it. Very impressive last night. Excited to be here. His father, of course, played a little bit with the Spurs and also spent a year with the Jazz.
Yeah.
There's Crowder, goes baseline, reverse it up and in. Beautiful move. Welcome, Jay Crowder. Here's Donovan. Crowder pumps up a three, looks good. Bang! Got it!
He's gonna love it here.
Mitchell. And he gets the bucket just in a second.
Quad injury. He's been in injury management. The same with Kawhi Leonard. Donovan, flick of the wrist. Puts it down.
Here he comes.
Joe Ingles just released it and picked up three. Donovan now finding his rhythm with 10 out front.
Spurs start the way they started the ball game with Murray, Powell, Danny Green, Anderson, and Bertans, and Favors on the shot clock. Gobert gives to Mitchell. Wow, what a shot from Mitchell.
Donovan, step back Jay. Looks good, is down the barrel. 14 for Donovan.
Inbound to Gobert. 7:15 counting remaining. Mitchell to Rudy. Gobert with a stop.
Donovan Mitchell trots into front court with Neto. Back on the court. Ingles on a catch and shoot. Got it!
Big shot.
Got it! 20 for Joe.
Bounces off the iron. Ingles hit a career high 6 last night. He's 4 of 6 from deep tonight. Mitchell, another one. And just like that, Utah's erased a 13-point deficit. Looking for Mills. He got delayed on a buck screen, and then it's stolen by Mitchell. Oh, wow. Looking for Mills. He got delayed on a buck screen, and then it's stolen by Mitchell. Oh, wow.
16 for Anderson. Jazz down 1 under a minute to go. Big possession. The Rook. Mitchell throws down the jumper.